16 years ago, after making an alarming discovery, Heather and Jay Johnston founded the organization Kits for Kids.
I started Kits for Kids because I owned a multifamily in Worcester that I rented out to a single mom with 2 children. I would often stop by there just to check in because my mother lived on the 3rd floor, and I noticed that the 2 kids were home alone and they didn't have any furniture or hygiene products or anything. And that was like really alarming to me. I was like, holy cow, this is going on right underneath my roof. So that year I made 3 kits, and then moving forward, we've handed out over 20,000 kits. I first started donating them to Department of Children and Family. We made small kits. Each one had a stuffed animal and sensory items and a blanket. So when a child was taken from their house, they had it in the car immediately. So the child could hold on to a Hot Wheel or, silly putty or anything, because, going through a situation of a removal from a home is very traumatic on a child, and they really need something at that point to hold or to keep them warm immediately.
Over the years, Kits for Kids has expanded their mission to helping other organizations that serve teens and families in need. Jay gives us a look at a project they've been working on.
We've built around 100 spring baskets that are going to be donated to the Marlboro Community Cupboard, as well as 2 area churches and 1 other nonprofit in the area called Parent Child Plus. These here are the baskets. They are our normal kits that we make for everybody. They include some toys, some sensory items, some hygiene products, a stuffed animal, something to bring smiles to children's faces.
Kits for Kids donates over 2,600 kits annually, all with the help of the local community.
We receive products from all over the area, so we have a lot of drives in the area. The Chamber of Commerce recently did a drive for us for some winter hats and mittens and whatnot. We have a group of ladies who love to knit and knit us just wonderful items, and this is year-round they're knitting for us. So we like to put some hand-knitted items in the kits when possible.
If you'd like to help bring smiles to children's faces, Kits for Kids is always accepting donations.
We're looking for socks, we're looking for gloves and hats, and we're also looking for like small knitted blankets so a child can sit on it. When they receive one of our kits, they can have their stuffed animal and their, sensory toys and a little blankie to sit on. So we are always short on boy stuff. Anything boy related, we definitely need. We're looking for Hot Wheels, silly putty, anything small that a child can put in their pocket when they're maybe be removed from their home or something.
If anyone would like to donate and help us out, we accept monetary donations at kitsforkids.org/donate. If anyone would like to donate new items that children would appreciate, feel free to email me. My name is Jay, Jay, at kitsforkids.org.